Okay, welcome to the class cyber security. So in previous classes we have discussed about the syllabus and portions, what are the topics we are studying. So now we are entering into the syllabus. So this is the syllabus. First about first is nothing but introduction to cyber security. This is comes under module 1. Already I have discussed what is cyberspace. It is a physical space. It is a digital platform where computers and other computer relevant devices are getting connected, like computer and with the internet, that is network. So where there is a possibility of data communication takes place and where the possibility of attacks can takes place, that is called cyberspace. So first we should know what is computer, what is basics, what is hardware, what is software. Hardware means it is nothing, it is a physical component, it is a physical device or component which performs some work, that is called hardware. Software means, so to make hardware running, so we have to do some set of instructions, some procedures, some algorithms, some instructions we have to make to run the hardware, that is called a software. Yes, this is brief introduction. So these are all the different computer or IT terminologies, that is nothing but OS, operating system. It is a system which is required to run all your applications in the computer. It performs overall controlling operations. It performs all the applications, all the instructions, everything. Data means our information. It is information, message or data, our information. What data? For example, text or audio or video, whatever it is called data. That is our information. Browser means it is a one application that is used to access data from the world wide web, from the server or from the storage media, for performing downloading purpose or to access the files. So we have to use the browsers. For example, Mozilla, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. These are the examples of browsers. Application means some specific task or specific functions. For example, different types of application. Every application performs only some specific task. For example, Microsoft Word means it for documentation or something. Excel means for PowerPoint presentation or something. Or one mobile bank app means to perform the online transaction, like that. So application means to do some specific work or specific functions. Network, it is a connection of different types of devices or interconnection of devices. For example, a network consists of a computer or other network devices like router or switches. All the devices are getting together through wired or wireless one, that is called a network. So there are different types of networks are there, wired network or wireless network. Other than that, different types of networks are there, like LAN, WAN, MAN. So these are the different types of networks. So Wi-Fi, that is called wireless facility to access the internet. For example, mobile phone or laptop or gadget, whatever it is, to access the internet, to access the network, to access information. So we need some that is peripherals to make data transfer or to get the data. That is nothing but best example is Wi-Fi. Another one to connect the device with internet, or we can use Bluetooth. So comparatively, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So Wi-Fi, it is little bit fast and provides some security. Bluetooth, it is little bit slower, and Wi-Fi, it covers large distance. Bluetooth, it covers only very less distance. And by using Wi-Fi we can connect more number of devices, but by using Bluetooth and all, we can have some limitations to connect the devices. So anyway, we'll discuss in detail. Server, it is a data storage medium, so where the data can be accessed by giving some request response messages. So authentication means, so for example, giving correct the right person to access the data. For example, if you are accessing your mail, what you are doing, so you are giving some usernames and you are giving some passwords. That is one kind of authentication. So if you are giving correct passwords, then only you can able to access your data. That is the thing about authentication. Hacking means without your permission or without your knowledge, your data or your files can be stolen by other parties or third parties. That is nothing but hacking. Okay, security means that is nothing but we have to protect our data from the hackers, from the unwanted users. That is called security. Firewall, it is a software, so where we can make the that is filtering in the border area. That is it may may perform the packet filtering functions, or that means some of the data can be allowed into your network, some of the data can be blocked in your network. That is nothing but firewalls. And finally, antivirus. That means everywhere unwanted data that can, it is very harmful to your computer. We can't do any work from the computer. That is called virus. If any virus is coming, means we can't able to do normal work in our computer. We can't able to access your files or folders or something. So to protect the virus, so we have to use some software in the form of called antivirus. That is nothing but antivirus. So these are all the different terminologies which we are using in computer domain. Okay. So internet, that is nothing but it is a connection of different networks, interconnection of network called internet, where the large number of data are stored in the internet. Different type, interconnection of network is called internet. Intranet means inside the network. That is intranet. Internet means it is globally the interlinking of all the networks is called internet. So this is the different timeline of internet or invention of the internet or path for the internet. So the talk of internet first came in the year 1969. Small internet that is started, that is called ARPANET. The first version of internet, it is created and used to link computers at UCLA and Stanford. There only first internet was happened in the year 1969, and through many progresses. For example, see, after 1969 there are large gap, 17 years. In that only next progress happened. That is NSFNet is founded, creating the backbone and providing the investment needed to create the internet as the we know today. That is 1989, then 94, 2004, 2010. Then 1965, 74, 89, 93, 2007, 22. Now more without internet, it is not at all possible to share our data wherever it goes. Even in small villages, we are having digital payments. So digital payments also it can happen only by using internet. So technologies are grown, many technologies are came. So now internet is ruling the world. So without the internet, it is not possible for anything. For example, nowadays people they are using for online, that is online food order, and they are purchasing the emergency care, that is medical tablets or some other informations. Most of the business, whatever it is, majority of the human needs nowadays are only fulfilled with through the internet. So internet plays very vital role and very important role nowadays. So this internet talk came in the year 1960s, and now we are almost everywhere we are connected with only through internet. So this is the that is progress of internet. So this chart indicates different versions and what are all the variations or what are all the updates are happened throughout this different year. That is progress of internet. Web technology, that means web technology means how the informations are stored in the website. That is all the informations are globally connected with one common link, that is called www, World Wide Web. That is globally our data, all the data. So whatever we are searching the Google Chrome, it gives. So similarly, globally all the data are connected only by using this www. So for www, for World Wide Web, so what are the different technologies are used to create the data? That is nothing but web technology. Okay, so this we can continue in the next class. So today we have discussed brief about what is computer, what is different types of terminologies are used in the computer, and there is what is internet and what is the progress of internet. This only we have discussed. And further in further classes we will discuss another next topics, this syllabus. Okay, thank you.